Actually, what a genius, Antonio, you are sometimes. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well and safe. Before we crack on, 2 seconds to say massive thank you to the new subscribers. You guys are awesome, and a special thank you to every single one of you that has been with me since the very beginning. So honestly guys, your comments, love, support, it's always much appreciated. Today I'm going to be showing you what I made with the metallic plates that we done in the beginning of the week. But before I show you what I've done, I'm going to show you what I have used to decorate them. So as you guys know, I'm part of Tracie Fox Creative design team. So and this week I'm going to be playing with you or Tracie's kit. This is called the Weathered Stone Ephemera. So you've got loads of, this kit is wonderful because you've got different pages with all different elements that you can play with. So this is one. So again, very different elements. Love this one. Love these 2 circles ones. So you've got all different ephemera. Love that. I have used this circle, I'll show you in a minute. Beautiful flowers, and I have used some of them, as well as my own scraps that I had in my scrap box. So I'll show you that. Love this. This is actually the domino portraits. They are 1 inch by 2 inches when printed 100%, which is this one. So this is printed 100%. So I'll show you what I've done with these beautiful ladies. You can make so many things with this. I've got a few ideas I want to make with those as well, because I want to make some like tickets, like a cinema tickets on a concertina. I got a few things I want to do, so yeah, I'll show you in the next few weeks. Love these. This is again a brilliant collection of handwriting, flowers, floral, all sorts. Unfortunately, I printed, because I print 2 of everything, one to show you guys and one to actually play with. I've got a bit carried on with this, so there's a lot of things missing here, but those are my 2. In fact, you can probably see, if I do that, you probably see what I've used. Actually, what a genius, Antonio, you are sometimes. Yes, so yeah, I have used that. A few things missing here, I can't remember what it was, but yeah. You got the bingo cards, the lovely ladies. They were too big for this project, but I have used the mini bingo cards and other little ephemeras. Now let me show you what we made, and I'm going to zoom in for that, and I'm going to put the camera right down so you can see my huge hands. Right, so let's start with the, shall we start with the inches? Yeah, so they are 1 inch by 1 inch, very fiddling little project. I love them. You can use them to do anything that you like. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to, rather than me lift it up and show you my dirty nails and dirty fingers, I'm going to try to lay them on the desk so you can see what I made. They're so tiny, which it don't help with me being clumsy and me having big hands, but I truly enjoyed making those. In this sort of project, guys, you can use anything that you have from your scrap box. I mean, seriously, don't tell me that you don't have a scrap box, because I do not believe it. Every one of us has got a scrap box, or at least a bag that you just put like your bits and bobs. That, yeah, I'm sure we all do. So that's the 1 inch by 1 inch. They're absolutely tiny, but look at them. You got a ladybug, ladybird. Gonna go for ladybird. Bees, the one with the little bingos numbers. Little sentiment is one of my favorites as well. I got quite a lot of glue, which is going to dry in a minute, with the little gems. Yeah, it's all about highlighting the texture on the background, so I absolutely adore those. So that's the inches, so it's 1 inch by 1 inch. And now I'm going to show you the twinches, so 2 inches by 2 inches. And to do that, I'm going to zoom you out just for a for 1 second. Let's put the clock right way around. So some of these are repeat, so I use the same sort of things twice, but I truly love them. And I haven't got, for once, I haven't got a favorite because I love them all. I had to play again with my eyelets because he needs to know who the boss is, and it isn't him. So yeah, no, honestly, I had quite a lot of fun. So again, selection on ephemera. I used my gold wax that I made in it last week, and I didn't use them, so I thought, let's just use that. Some flowers. This is got, I had this from my scrapbox, so you got, I mean, the glue is still drying. What do you call it? Paper flowers that I made, and I not ended up using them. Got a plastic bottle and just put some gold wax in it. So that's a very purely, like, very simple, just with the flowers on the background, because I didn't want to cover them too much, because you not ended up seeing the metallic background. So it's all about the background, and it's very tactile because it's embossed, so it's very, you can really play with these. So I love that. So that's one set, and the back of course is plain. So then we've got set number 2, and I'm going to put in here. Put one there. Again, some are extremely simple, some a bit detailed. So on here I just use my scissors like these. Scallop scissors called, whatever. So again, another flowers, another one with the floral with the 2 eyelets. This I use a tiny little envelope that I have in my stash, and I just put one of Tracie's insect. And again, look at that gold background. Because I went really heavy with the Mod Podge, I sealed everything completely, so it will stay like that. Love these, super cute 3D flowers. So yeah, I left some of them, again guys, are very simple. Right, look at that, it's just a butterfly on top, because I just wanted to, you can see that the paint is shiny. It just wanted the texture to be the main focus. Okay, so that's set number 2. I'm not counting them in total, but they're quite a lot of them. And then set number 3 is here. That and that one. So I have used the other scissors to create, like, because I want more like a stamp sort of shape. You see, like, that's super simple. Just put the bingo card in here. On this one I just layered the butterfly and just put an eyelet in there, because what you can do, you can actually hang them and use them as a hanging decoration on your pages or on your cards, anything. A for Antonio, of course. Another flowers that is drying. I have 3 sets of those, so I have 6 because I punched it 6 times. And again guys, just use your scraps and do what you want. There's no rules. Never, well, in crafting I don't think there is ever rules. Love that. Right guys, that is it. My inches and my twinches, just gonna put them all in there. Guys, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, because I will support the video and the channel doing well. Enjoy. The weather is absolutely warm in here, which I'm really pleased about. So I'm going to have a coffee in the garden, I believe. I'm gonna have a lunch now, so I'm very peckish. Guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.